Okay, so this is the question on how to make shamrock pancakes. So we first start with good Kerrygold butter. Now,
Or regular butter.
or regular butter. Just even non-stick pans. A little butter tastes good on a pancake. Now the trick with shamrocks is first off you have to have green batter. A little bit of food coloring will handle that. Might make things a little interesting the following day, but that's fine. Doesn't really hurt you at all. Now, the trick with the shamrocks is just to make circles. So you make one circle, then you make another circle above it. Like so.
Oh, you ran out of batter.
Ran out of batter. You gotta be careful not to drip. That's the tricky thing. You just make 3 circles and then you'll find they blend together. And then for the stem, just very quickly kind of go like that. And that gives you quite a lovely shamrock pancake. And then you just sort of let it cook up there like you would any pancake. And if you've made it large enough here, it's easy enough to flip. So there you have it. Shamrock pancakes.